Welcome, seeker of truth. Join me as we journey through history's mysteries, where ancient wisdom and timeless stories come alive. Prepare to ignite your imagination and uncover the hidden truths of the past.
Ever feel like you're stuck?
Yeah.
Like going through the motions, like there's this potential inside just waiting to be unlocked. Well, get ready, because today we're diving into something that might just change everything: the law of consciousness.
Ooh.
And our guide, Neville Goddard.
Oh, yeah.
His book, Feeling is the Secret.
It's a book that's really captured people, people wanting to understand their own minds. Goddard's big idea, our consciousness creates our reality.
Okay, so we're not just puppets.
Nope. He actually says the world, everything in it, it's all commons consciousness, just objectified.
Whoa, that's deep. Can we unpack that a bit?
Sure. Imagine a movie, right? What you see on the screen, it's not really real. It's just light, images, projected. Goddard's saying our consciousness is kind of like that projector. Our experiences, those are the images.
So we're making the movie.
We are, whether we know it or not.
Wow. Every high, every low. All us. That's empowering, but also kind of scary.
Right. It's a lot of responsibility. And to get how it works, we got to get this. The conscious and subconscious mind, they're different.
Hit me with it.
Think of an iceberg. The tip you see, that's your conscious mind, making choices, thinking things through.
Right.
But underneath, that massive chunk underwater, that's the subconscious. Powerful, driving so much of what we do, what we experience.
Okay, I'm seeing it. So how do these two parts of our minds actually shape our world? So it's this huge part of our mind calling the shots. How do we even talk to it, this subconscious thing?
That's where feeling is the secret comes in, right?
Okay.
See, the subconscious, it doesn't think like we think. Logic, willpower, not its style. It's all about feeling, emotion, that deep down knowing.
So just thinking about what we want, not enough.
Yeah.
Got to feel it for real.
Exactly. Goddard, he uses this gardener analogy, Your conscious mind, it's planting the seeds, your ideas, what you want in life.
Okay, I like that.
But the subconscious, that's the soil. Those seeds either bloom or they die. What makes them grow? Feeling.
So how do we use feeling to make actual change?
Goddard, he gives us tools, one of the strongest. Sleep.
Oh, interesting. Dreams always felt kind of powerful to me.
They are. Think about it. Falling asleep, your mind. It loosens up, Filters disappear. Subconscious. Wide open. Like a door to this deeper part of you.
So we're more open to, suggestion. I see where you're going with this.
Right. Goddard says, as we're falling asleep, that's when we plant the seeds of what we want in that subconscious soil. He actually says, hold on, the feeling which comes, it's got to be the feeling, right? Yeah. In response to the question, how would I feel were my wish realized? So how would it feel if you got what you wanted? That feeling, that's what you focus on as you drift off.
Not replaying that embarrassing work moment or tomorrow's to-do list.
Nope. Picture your dream job, that creative project, finished, feel it. Waking up in your dream home, how would that feel? That good talk with your partner, everything resolved. Those are the emotions you want.
Like giving your subconscious a movie script to work on overnight.
Exactly. Scripting your reality through feeling. Do this enough, you're training your subconscious, it'll start looking for those feelings, even when you're awake.
So not just wishing, but feeling it into being. What about when we need a boost, though? Prayer. Where's that fit in?
Another powerful tool. But Goddard, he makes us rethink prayer,
Oh, I'm all ears.
It's not begging some higher power. It's about aligning yourself, feeling like your wish is already granted.
That knowing again. Unshakable faith that it's already yours.
You got it. He says the only condition is that you believe your prayers are already realized. Like ordering something online and you're excited for it to arrive. That anticipation, that's key.
Not just blind faith, but shifting how you feel inside. Knowing you have it already.
And that feeling, that's what talks to your subconscious. To reality itself even gets things moving.
So praying, visualizing.
Yeah.
Not enough. Gotta live it, right? Be that person now. It's not like what Goddard says about acting as if. Yeah.
Exactly. Acting as if. Huge principle for him. He says, hold on, I've got it right here. Get into the spirit of the state desired by assuming the feeling that would be yours were you already the one you want to be. So good.
Yeah. So it's not faking it for other people. It's convincing your own mind deep down that you're already
Exactly. Say you want to be an entrepreneur, right? But you're stuck in your job. Acting as if means even at work, you carry yourself with that entrepreneur's confidence, that vision.
Okay, I can see that.
You make decisions from that place of power. You visualize your success. You network.
Sending out those signals. This is who I am. This is happening.
Yes, and here's the thing. When you feel it and you act on it consistently, your energy changes. And that attracts things that match that energy.
So like, if I'm feeling confident, abundant, happy, I'll attract more of that to me.
Right, you become a magnet, aligning your insides with your outside world. That's when Goddard goes from like nice ideas to really powerful stuff.
Not just along for the ride, but driving. We can change our thoughts, our feelings, and our whole experience changes.
It's incredible. It's not easy, of course. It takes work, practice. You've got to face those limiting beliefs head on. But the potential is there in all of us.
So wrapping up this deep dive, I think for me it's that belief in our own power to create what we want.
Couldn't agree more. It's a journey, figuring yourself out. But it starts with that shift inside, deciding to be the creator of your own reality.
For everyone listening, feeling that spark, wanting to unlock that power, what's one thing they can do today to start using this?
Ask yourself this: if I truly believed I could have or be anything, what would I feel right now? Let that feeling guide you. Then take one action, even small, that matches that feeling. You'll be amazed where it leads you.
Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey through the echoes of history and the realms of imagination. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget to share it with fellow truth seekers, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more captivating stories that bridge the gap between the past and the present. Together, let's continue to explore the mysteries of the ages and uncover the wisdom that lies within. Until next time, keep seeking, keep learning, and keep the flame of curiosity burning bright.